A First Home Savings Account, or FHSA, is a registered savings plan designed to help Canadians save for their first home. To open an account, you must be a Canadian resident and a first-time homebuyer. An FHSA gives you certain tax benefits. Tax-sheltered growth. You don't pay tax on the investment returns you make within your account. Tax-free withdrawals. You don't pay tax on a qualifying withdrawal to purchase your first home. And tax-deductible contributions. You can claim an income tax deduction for contributions made in a particular year. The annual contribution limit is $8,000, and the lifetime contribution limit is $40,000. You can carry forward up to $8,000 in unused contribution room, which only starts to accumulate after you open an FHSA for the first time. If you're purchasing a home with a partner, both of you can take advantage of your individual limits towards your first home. And you can use both the FHSA and the RRSP Homebuyers Plan for the same qualifying home purchase. Get closer to your goal with personalized advice. Talk to us today or visit bmo.com/FHSA.